Hello students, before we have learned about flowchart and symbols, and we have learned types of flowcharts, and we have learned different types of flowchart. Today we are going to start our new lesson number 4, Introduction to QBasic. Introduction is a machine that processes the data and gives the desired result, and in that we will see BASIC is one such programming language. There are different basics are there. GW Basic, Turbo Basic, QBasic, Visual Basic. Let's see QBasic.
Named QBasic. The Q stands for quick. A few versions of BASIC are Basica, GW Basic, QBasic 1.0, QBasic 4.5, QB64, etc. QB64 is a modern version of the BASIC programming language that allows QBasic programs to run on Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Linux, and Mac OS X. In this chapter, we will learn programming using
What is a program? The QBasic, starting QBasic, creating a new program file, writing, running, saving a program, comments, statements. A program is a set of instructions that are grouped together to accomplish a task or tasks. The statements in program must be written in sequential order to get the desired output. Each instruction should be written in a separate statement. Commands are the reserved words which are given without the line numbers, and it gives immediate output once entered. Example, auto, new. QBasic is a programming language developed by Microsoft for use in MS-DOS operating system. It is the successor of earlier forms of BASIC, beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code, a simple programming language for beginning programmers. QB is an ideal programming language for beginners because of its intuitive commands, simple structure, and flexibility. It is a well-documented software, and hundreds of tutorials and sample programs are available for download on the internet. By programming the computer, you can solve math problems, create art or music, and even make new games. It's all up to you. QBasic is high-level programming language, which means that it is written in a language similar to English.
Now in the QBasic we will see how to start the QBasic. Let's see. Look for the QBasic icon on your desktop and double click on it to start it. QBasic window appears with a welcome message on the screen when you open its 4.5 version. The welcome message does not appear in QBasic 7.1 version.
QBasic. Your computer would be having the QBasic icon on the desktop. So, to open QBasic, double-click on the QBasic icon. A blue screen appears. The QBasic screen is divided into two modes, Status Mode and Program Mode. Status Mode. This mode gives the result as soon as the command is entered. Program Mode. Instructions are given in the form of a program. The result is given only after executing the program. Creating a new program file. To start a new program in QBasic, click the File menu and choose New option. Or press Alt+F for File menu and then N to select New program. A new QBasic window opens up.
Title bar. The title bar displays the name of an application. On the right hand side you can see the minimize, maximize and close buttons. Menu bar. The menu bar has various options such as File, Edit, View, Search, Run, Debug, Options and Help. Clicking on any of these options will show you the commands under it. Programming window. This window is used to type in the codes required for a program. Status bar. The status bar at the bottom of the screen displays a list of shortcut keys to quickly perform QBasic functions. Cursor. The blinking cursor at the top left corner of the screen indicates where you should start typing. Immediate window. The space shows the immediate execution and output of the print command. In the QBasic, we will see programming in QBasic. In the programming in Basic, how to write the program that we will
Write a program. Let's write a program to display a message on the screen. Type out the following line. Print. QBasic is a programming language.
How to running a program, we will see.
Running a program. To run a program, you can press F5 or click on Run menu, then Start. A black screen appears displaying the output. This is the output screen.
How to save a program, that we will see.
Saving a file. Save option is used to save the current program that you are writing or making changes to it. The Save As dialog box appears when you select this option, asking for the file name. Give the file name with the extension .bas and press OK button. If you do not give the extension, the IDE automatically generates that. Keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus F to select File menu and then press S for Save. Save As option is used to save an already saved file with some other name or to some other location. The Save As dialog box appears. Type some other file name and click OK. Keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus F to select File menu and then press A for Save As.
How to loading a program, that also we will see. And how to exiting a program, that also we will see.
Opening an existing file. Open option is used to open a program file that you have already saved. A dialog box appears when you select this option, showing the list of existing files. Select the file you want to open. Keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus F to select File menu, then press O for Open.
Now we are going to see graphic in QBasic. In that graphic, screen command. Screen command is used to change the screen mode. The way syntax to use this command is syntax screen mode number. There are 14 screen mode numbers in QBasic and each of these has its different purpose. Some of the commonly used graphic mode numbers are described in the chart. Color command. Color command is used to change the color of the text or graphic appearing on a QBasic output screen. And syntax color, color code. Color, it tells QBasic that a color is being specified. The color code that can be used are described in the chart. PSET command, preset command, draw command. Draw is like the turtle in the programming language, MSW logo. With a draw, you can move around the screen and draw lines along the way. Here are the directional commands listed are U, up, D, down, L, left, R, right, E, upper right, F, lower right, G, lower left, H, upper left. Line command. Line command is used to draw a straight line between 2 points. To draw a rectangle, open or fill two specified points as opposite corner are required. Circle command. The circle statement is used to draw a circle or an arc around a given coordinate with a given radius. Paint command. With a circle we have to use paint. Paint fills an area with a color. It stops painting when it runs into a certain color on the screen. Concentric circles. Concentric circles are very easy to draw in QBasic. With circle, paint and some random numbers you can make some interesting pictures. Today we have learned QBasic, starting QBasic, programming in QBasic, graphing in QBasic. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.